Let's see this question. This is a previous year question. So the question says that the average molar mass of chlorine is 35.5 gram per mole. The ratio of chlorine, which is having atomic mass 35, to chlorine, which is having atomic mass 37, in naturally occurring chlorine is close to. राइट, आपको एवरेज एटॉमिक मास गिवन है क्लोरीन का, और आपको बताना है कि जो उसकी नेचुरल एबंडेंस है उन दोनों आइसोटॉप्स की, वो हमारी किस उसमें प्रेजेंट है. सो फर्स्टली लेट्स डिस्कस द की कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. This question is actually based on the average atomic mass. Average atomic mass. Right. So we have been provided with Cl35 and Cl37. Right. Further, if I talk about the average atomic mass, so its formula is average atomic mass is equal to atomic mass of Cl35 into its natural abundance multiplied by natural abundance of Cl35 plus atomic mass of chlorine having mass 37 into natural abundance of Cl37, then divide by total abundance, or it will be 100. Right. जो क्लोरीन के दो ये प्रेजेंट है आइसोटॉप्स Cl35 एंड Cl37, सो व्हाट विल हैपन नाउ, एक की अबंडेंस अगर लेट अस सपोज x है, लेट अस सपोज ये x है, तो ये कितनी हो जाएगी, इट विल बी 100 माइनस x. राइट. So on putting these values in this formula, let's calculate the value of x, which is actually the natural abundance. So average atomic mass will be, you have been provided with 35.5 gram per mole. Then atomic mass of Cl35 is 35. और अभी हमने लेट किया कि इसकी नेचुरल abundance कितनी है, it is x. So into x plus atomic mass of chlorine having mass 37, it will be 37, and then it will be 100 minus x, and in denominator you will get 100 again. Right. So on solving this, you will be getting the value of x to be 74. X will come out to be 76, it will come out, and then for 100 minus x, this will be 24%. So therefore the ratio will be 76 is to 24. That means 3 is to 1. That means option B is your correct answer.